Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share healthy Magnum ice creams at home with this easy recipe using ripe bananas, peanut butter, Greek yogurt and milk chocolate. These Magnum ice creams are seriously amazing. There are even options for different flavors. You must try this healthy homemade Magnum's ice cream at home. For this recipe, we need 2 ripe bananas, milk 1/4 cup, Greek yogurt 1 cup, coconut oil 1 teaspoon, and we need a milk chocolate, and we need the ice cream molds. We need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use any nut butter. You can place all these ingredients in a blender and blend it well until smooth. Once it's blended well, you can pour it to the popsicle molds and insert sticks and freeze it for like 4 to 6 hours until set. You can melt the chocolate using double boiler method or microwave method. Heat up the pan and add water. Once it starts boiling, add the chocolate and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Melt the chocolate until it's smooth. Once it's fully melted, you can turn off the heat. You can transfer the melted chocolates in a cup. Demold the Magnums out of the molds and then dip the Magnums in the melted chocolate until they are fully covered, and then sprinkle some chopped almonds. Place the dip bars on wax paper lined cookie tray or plate, then back in the freezer to freeze fully like 30 minutes. These healthy Magnum ice creams are ready to eat now, and you can store them in the freezer for future use and let soak a couple of minutes for best texture before enjoying. Hope you love this as much as I do. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.